हाय फ्रेंड्स, आजच्या या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण बघणार आहोत हाऊ टू फाइंड आउट द डिफरन्सिएशन ऑफ cot x with respect to x by using first principle method. Okay, this is called as first principle, or it is also called as the definition of differentiation. Okay, so let's start with the video. When we have to find out the differentiation of cot x with respect to x by using first principle, we will assume that f of x is equal to cot x, okay, and f of x plus h will be cot of x plus h. Then, as we already know what is the formula for first principle, that is f dash x is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x upon h. Okay, so by substituting these values from this, we'll get limit h tends to 0. What is value of f of x plus h? It is cot x plus h. Okay, so cot x plus h, and the value for fx is cot x. So we'll put the value of fx, and now as we know in trigonometry there is no such formula as cot a minus cot b. Okay, so our first duty is to convert this cot into sin cos format. Okay, what is cot theta? Cot theta is cos theta upon sin theta. Okay, what is cot theta? Cot theta is cos theta upon sin theta, and the denominator is h. Okay, moving forward, we have to cross multiply these things. Okay, so it become sin x into cos x plus h minus cos x into sin x plus h upon sin x plus h into sin x. Okay, and this h to the denominator as it is. Okay, so if we observe these terms carefully, this is a form of sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Okay, what is this formula, friends? This formula is of sin a minus b. Okay, the value of a is x and the value of b is x plus h. So sin a cos b minus cos a sin b is sin a minus b according to the formula in trigonometry. Okay, and here it is sin x plus h into sin x into h. The denominator is as it is. Okay, next, limit h tends to 0 sin this x cancel with minus x, and what we get here? We get here minus h. Okay, now this h we will arrange here to the denominator of x, and this sin x plus h and sin x will be written separately. Sin x plus h and sin x. Okay, to arrange this theta to the denominator, we will multiply this with minus and minus 1. Okay, so we multiplied this with minus 1 just to arrange this theta as minus h, because in trigonometry and by using one formula in limits, we know that limit h tends to 0 or limit theta tends to 0, sin theta upon theta is 1. Okay, so this minus 1 as it is, this sin theta upon theta become 1, and by substituting limit as h tends to 0, we get x plus 0 here, and here sin x. So finally what we get here, this is minus 1 upon sin x into sin x, that is minus 1 upon sin square x, that is minus cosec square x. 1 upon sin theta is cosec theta in trigonometry, that we know. Okay, so we get this value for what? We get this value for the differentiation of cot x, and these are the steps to solve the differentiation of cot x with respect to x by using first principle or by using the definition of differentiation. Okay, so d dx of cot x is minus cosec square x. ओके फ्रेंड्स, जर तुम्हाला हा व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल, स्टेप्स समजले असतील, व्हिडिओ महत्त्वपूर्ण वाटत असेल, तर चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करायला अजिबात विसरू नका आणि व्हिडिओला लाईक तर नक्कीच करा. ओके, आणि जर अशाच अनेक कन्सेप्ट तुम्हाला सर्च करायच्या असतील तर डोंट फॉरगेट टू सर्च फॉर #concepts by Gayatri. थँक्यू सो मच.